In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Paxful account. Head to paxful.com and then head to the register on the top right corner. After doing so, make sure that you enter your email address and the password. I'm going to be right back. Make sure that you enter a very strong password. Nothing related to you personally or nothing related to anything to you. After putting on all the right details, you'll be prompted with this page. In this page, you'll have to actually verify your account. You can go ahead right here and first of all click on payment methods and add a payment method. You can choose a bank account, a wallet, which can be PayPal or anything like that, online wallets, and then you're going to choose your online wallet and stuff like that. I would also highly suggest that you go ahead and actually use your ID to create the Paxful account, as that will give you more and more authenticity on the website. That's it, and goodbye.